Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can edit videos on CapCut on your PC or laptop. So let's begin. First, to make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply open your software CapCut. You can simply install this software using here. I can show you how you can install CapCut on your laptop or PC. First, you need to open any of your internet browser. Here I have Google Chrome, so I open in this, and here you need to search CapCut for PC. Here and tap on Download CapCut Desktop. First link. Then here you can click on download for free, and after the download you can install this software on your PC or laptop. I have already installed this software on my system, so I open this, then click on create project. Here you need to here you can see that I here you can see that there is a new window open here. First, you can see that if you want to import files like videos, audios, and images, you can click on here import, and by this, uh, you can import all of your audios and images and voices, uh, videos, etc. And here you can use here you can see that there is a lot of copyright free music that can be used in your videos. And if you want to add text in your video, by this option you can add text on your videos layer. Here you can select stickers, and also here you can add effects on your video, and make video more beautiful and engaging. Here by this option you can add transitions in your video, and here you can add filters on your video. Here you can see that there are a lot of filters you can already you can use them. Here you can see that adjustment, and stock market, Christmas. There are a lot of things you can use in your videos, and make videos more engaging and more comfortable, and more beautiful video. For example, if I want to click on this and click on import, for example, I want to add this background in my video, and here by clicking on this option you can adjust this background according to your video length, video duration. If you want to uh, trim the left side of this layer, you need to click on here first and then tap on here, and you can see that all of my left side after this option has been cut off. And if you want to cut right side of this option right side, for example, I want to delete this side. Here you can cut off by tapping on W, or you can this with this option also. And if you want to undo this operation, here by this option you can perform this. And in this way you can edit videos on CapCut on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.